Introducing QEP's tile leveling system for wall and floor tiles. This is an easy-to-use, two-part leveling system for eliminating uneven tile installation. Using QEP clips and wedges also speeds up installation time. This system can be used for any size wall or floor tile. The extra-wide base of the clips are perfect for large-format tiles and wall tile installations. QEP clips and wedges can be used on tiles as thick as ½ inch. During installation, use a 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4 inch square notch trowel or larger. On a large job, you'll find our Pro pliers useful to tighten the wedge in the clip. Be sure not to over-tighten. 1 to 2 clicks is all you'll need. After your thin set is cured, you can begin to remove the wedges. For wall installations, use a mallet. For floors, you can either use a mallet or simply kick them off with your foot. Remember to keep your wedges so that they can be used again for a future project. For a perfectly level tile surface, use QEP's tile leveling system for your next tiling project.